Check this out. Imagine being able to start generating your own solar power without a full rooftop installation, complicated permitting, or major upfront costs. Today, we're taking a look at a game-changing solution for homeowners, renters, and energy-conscious consumers, the APsystems EZ1-LV plug-in solar inverter. The EZ1-LV is APsystems' innovative low-voltage microinverter designed specifically for plug-and-play solar applications. This compact inverter allows you to connect solar panels directly to your home's electrical system with simplicity and flexibility in mind. Now, here are some of the key features and what makes this product stand out. Plug-and-play design for simplified installation. It's compatible with low-voltage solar modules. It has dual MPPT technology for optimized power generation from 2 solar panels. It has built-in Wi-Fi and smart monitoring through the APsystems apps. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for residential DIY or balcony solar setups. It's ideal for small-scale solar expansion or reducing your daily utility costs. Here's the benefits to the consumer. For homeowners, apartment dwellers, or anyone exploring solar for the first time, the EZ1-LV lowers the barrier to entry. This is a big deal for me. No massive buy-in. No expensive battery storage. It's flexible deployment on patios, balconies, sheds, or garages. It gives you real-time monitoring of energy production, the opportunity to offset rising electricity rates, and as energy prices continue to rise and consumers look for decentralized energy solutions and products like the APsystems EZ1, they are helping redefine how people interact with solar. This isn't just about solar panels, it's about energy independence and practical adoption. So, some of my insights here. From a technical perspective, APsystems has built a product that aligns with a growing plug-in solar movement while maintaining smart inverter capabilities and user-friendly design. For those seeking entry-level solar, supplemental power generation, or educational solar deployment, the EZ1-LV serves serious consideration. If you're looking for a simple, scalable way to start your solar journey, the APsystems EZ1-LV may be one of the smartest entry points on the market today. So, you know who I am. I'm Emmitt Muckles. This is about making solar understandable, practical, and accessible to everyone. So follow for more expert insights or on solar technology, energy savings, workforce development, and how to make smarter energy decisions for your home. Till next time, love you all. Peace. Yeah, I am born in Detroit.